Everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today, guys, I will be showing you how to get the attendance for meetings in Google Meet. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead to the official Google Meet website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your account, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where you can see at the left side of the screen you have the option to either go ahead and create a new meeting or to join an existing meeting by pasting the code or link here and clicking the join button. For today's video, guys, I'm going to go ahead and create my own meeting right here. So guys, after you have created a meeting, as you can see right here, I have already created a meeting and I have some participants in my meeting right here, as you can see. So guys, now I'm going to be showing you how to get the attendance list. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead and download this add-on for Google Chrome. As you can see, it is called Google Meet Attendance List. You want to go ahead and, guys, and search for Google. You want to go ahead and search Google Meet Attendance List, and it will appear as the first result. So guys, go ahead and click the add-on. And here in the upper right corner, you will have a button that says Add to Chrome. Currently, I have already installed the add-on. That's why it says Remove, but it will say Add to Chrome for you so that you will be able to install it. Go ahead, guys, and click on that. And after clicking on that, guys, now we will successfully install the add-on. And now we can go back to our meeting. And guys, now if you look at the add-ons bar in the upper right corner, you will see that here is the add-on. You can go ahead and click on it. As you can see, it is automatically recording the attendance. So guys, now all you have to do is you can either click on save attendance right here to download it immediately, but you don't even have to do that. What you can do, guys, is just go ahead and exit the meeting when you are ready and the meeting is over. And let's go ahead, guys, and click on leave. And as you can see, it will automatically open up in this new tab where it shows us what our attendance was, and we can download the list if we want. So as you can see here, guys, now we have successfully seen our attendance and we can download it anytime we want. So yeah, guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.